Hello friends, this is tutorial number 38 in these Java programming language tutorials. In this tutorial we will talk about filtering lists. Now let me just create a new class. It will be class 03. We will create a public method. Okay, and let's create some list of strings. It will be a list string. It will be cars equals to new array list array list string, and we need the brackets, and we need to import a necessary Java util list. And we need to put some cars into the list. Cars add, it will be BMW, we will add Citroën, we will add, it could be a Lada, of course Yugo, Zastava, Warburg, you can't forget the Warburg. Okay, let's add a couple more cars. It can be a Ford, okay, we will put Acura, and Renault. Okay, we have a list of cars. Now what we want to do here, we want to filter it. For example, if one car in the list contains, for example, some character, it could be a letter. For example, if it contains A, we will display the cars that contains A. But let me first display all the cars. We can use for each loop for string car of list of cars, system out print line, it will be a car, but we will separate, we don't need to separate. Okay, we will just type cars in the list. Okay, let's print our list. Okay, these are the cars in the list, and now let's filter it. We will use for each loop for string, but first we need to type filtering list. Okay, and we need to couple of stars should be good. Wait a second. Okay, and now we need a new list. It will be a list of string. We will call it cars filtered. Will be new array list of string. Okay, for string car of cars. Now we need a condition. If car contains, let's see, the character would be A, for example, not contains A, we will car will be add cars filtered will be add a car. Okay, and now we will create another for each for we already fill with cars with which not contains A will be added to our new list, and we need to display it now. Car of cars filtered, we will just print it. System out print line car. But before we printing, we need to type cars filtered dot size. We will see how many cars passed the filter, plus cars passed filtering. Okay, let's try to see how it looks. Okay, we have the cars, okay, BMW, Citroen, Lada, Yugo, Zastava, a list of our cars, and we will filtering list, and it tells us that 4 cars passed filtering. It is BMW, Citroen, Yugo, and Ford. And these cars do not contain a letter A. For example, if we want a car that contains, we will only delete these, and okay, we have 5 cars passed filtering: Lada, Zastava, Warburg, Acura, and Renault. Okay, we can type another letter, for example R, and we will save, and we run. Okay, as you can see, we have a cars that contains R, and I hope that you understand it. And I only want to show you we can use another way to filter the list we can use streams, and let me just comment this. I will show you that way. Okay, we will have a list of string cars filtered will be equal to cars. Wait a second. Dot we need to stream. Just a moment. Here is the stream, and we need to filter, and we need the predicate. It will be car contains we need the character. It will be A, and now we need to collect, and we need collectors. Just a moment. Collectors to list. That should be fine. Okay, and now we need simply, we can use cars filtered for each, and it will be system dot out print line. But also we need to print something. We will take the statement. Where is the statement? Okay, here it is. We'll copy again that statement to not just type again. Let's try to run it. Okay, and as you can see, a filtering list and 5 cars pass the filtering. With A, it is Lada, Zastava, Warburg, Acura and Renault. We can type R. And okay, as you can see, 4 cars passed filtering: Citroën, Warburg, Ford and Acura. Of course we can use not contains, and here are the cars. It's 5 cars passed filtering: BMW, Lada, Yugo, Zastava. And I don't understand, but the thing is Renault we have, because this is the case sensitive. For example, if car contains R, would be it's a Renault, because this is the case sensitive. And I hope that you understand it. If you can also choose a first way, or another way is the same thing, and you can also try to create your own challenges and practice this a little. But as you can see, this is no complicated, no rocket science here, and I hope that you that you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have links in the description, and see you in the next tutorial.